Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fat loss salad. The key is to focus on nutrient-dense ingredients that keep you full without excess calories. Begin with a generous base of leafy greens, like spinach or romaine, which are low in calories but high in vitamins. Next, incorporate a substantial lean protein source to boost satiety and support muscle maintenance. This foundation is crucial for effective fat loss. For your protein, aim for about 4 to 6 ounces of grilled chicken, turkey, or fish. Plant-based options like lentils or black beans also work wonderfully. Next, pile on a rainbow of non-starchy vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, and broccoli florets. These add volume, fiber, and essential vitamins without many calories, making your salad satisfying and nutritious. The dressing is where many salads go wrong. Avoid creamy, high-calorie options. Instead, choose a light vinaigrette or make your own with apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and herbs. Measure your dressing precisely. 1 to 2 tablespoons is plenty to flavor your entire salad. Toss everything gently to ensure every bite is coated, creating a delicious and balanced meal. To consistently achieve your fat loss goals, meal prepping is a game changer. Wash and chop your vegetables, cook your protein, and store them separately. This makes assembling your salad quick and effortless, even on busy days. Don't be afraid to get creative with your ingredients to keep things exciting. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals that can enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.